going to with you a function called Sumifs, and I have the data here. It's weekdays, units, and notes. So let's use Sumif to analyze this data. Now, first of all, I'll type in equals sumifs, and I'm using sumifs because I'm gonna have few conditions. So I'll just select this like that, and I will select the sum range, which is the units, right? You can just go by the function and press comma, and then I will choose my first range, which is this one, and I will choose the criteria from the first range, which is I will choose, for example, I want to know Wednesday, everything about Wednesday, and then I will choose my second sorry, that's wrong. I will just go back. Okay, I will choose my first criteria, then press comma, and then for example Monday, I want to know information about Monday. I will choose my second criteria, click comma, and second range, and choose my criteria, for example pending, and then I'll click enter. So it gives me 36. Now that means that I have just found out that on Mondays, the units that are pending are 36. So let's have a look. So on Mondays, units that are pending is 34, and then 2, so it's 36. Total is 36. Okay, it gives me 36. So that's my answer. So let's do that again. So I've just searched Monday pending. Okay, so that's 36. Now, if I want to know Thursday bought, if I want to know Thursday bought, right? So there are two criteria. One is it should be on Thursday, the units should be on Thursday, and second, it should be bought. So what I'll do is I'll go to equals, and I will go to equals sumifs, okay, because I'm using more than one criteria. One criteria is Thursday, one criteria is bought. The sum range or the units are this one. So I want it to be summed, comma, and the criteria range is, the range is this one, and then from here I just want comma, I just want information regarding Thursday, and then I'll press comma, and then the second range is this one, and I am just looking for bought items, so bought. Okay, so click enter, it gives me 0. So that means that there is no there is Thursday with pending, right? There is another Thursday with pending, so there is no Thursday with bought, so it gives me 0. So that's how you can analyze. So just to remove your confusion, first of all, whenever you select Sumifs, the easier way of doing it is that you always select first of all, you select the range you want to sum, right? You want to add total, so the numbers should be selected the firstly, okay? And then you always add a comma between every aspect. So I'll add comma and then do the second step, right? Then I will choose the range of the weekdays and press comma, and then I will choose which one I want to find out information about. For example, Wednesday. Then I will press comma, and then I will choose another range, okay, and then press comma, and then choose out which one I want to find out. Maybe pending, okay, and then I'll press enter. So it gives me 56. Okay, so Wednesday pending is 56, which is this one. Okay, there's another Wednesday, but that's bought, but I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for pending and Wednesday. That should be there, and then it should total that. So that's how you do it. And another thing I want to say is that you can also add in your own criteria. So for example,